Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Financial Fitness with CA Ashima Abel Yunus and to this video which is part 2 in the series on top 20 budgeting tips for financial planning which can help you achieve financial success. As the saying goes, he who wishes to secure the good of others has already secured his own. So make sure while planning your budget, try to allocate a place or a percentage for donations and charity as well in your budget. In this part 2, I will share few more budgeting tips in addition to those shared in part 1. Budgeting is an essential part of a healthy financial life. Rather than being restrictive, these 20 budgeting tips can help you form a clear picture of your spending money and can also help you to discover your extra income that you can use more efficiently. So, to help encourage and inspire more people to embrace the power of becoming financially literate, make sure you watch this short video to the end so that you don't miss on any of these golden tips on budgeting. But before I go ahead with this video, I would request you all to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's totally free for all. You can just log into YouTube with your email ID and click on the subscribe icon and share it with your family and friends. You can also share it in the WhatsApp groups in your phones. I will just take a quick pause for only 5 seconds so you all can take time to click on subscribe icon, like icon and also click on the bell icon that you will find below the video. Please do that while I wait for just 5 seconds. Okay, so now I'll quickly introduce myself for the new viewers. I am CA Ashima, a finance professional, a qualified chartered accountant, a certified auditor, and a certified ERP implementation specialist specializing in tax, finance, IT, and audits. I worked as a partner and a director with one of the top 25 leading CA firms in India, which has also been a member firm of one of the big fours. After working in India for a period of 10 years, I moved to Sweden and have also worked as a senior financial consultant with a multinational and have catered to corporate clients in Sweden, Finland, Norway, Denmark, and the UK. I have also been working as a freelance financial consultant. First, I will quickly take you through the list of the first 5 budgeting tips that I have shared in detail in part 1 of this series. The first one is follow 50-30-20 rule. Second, to segregate needs versus wants. Third is to create your budget before the month begins. Fourth is to practice budgeting to zero. And the fifth one is to use the right tools. You can also watch part 1 in this series of top 20 budgeting tips to understand these first 5 in detail. Now let's look into the sixth one, which is save first, then spend. Think of saving as a fixed expense and factor it into your budget accordingly. According to the billionaire Warren Buffett, it's essential to prioritize your savings, and he recommends automating contributions to avoid temptation. There is a popular quote by him which says, "Do not save what is left after spending. Spend what is left after saving." As you can see on this slide, 95% people spend first and only 5% are those who save first. You can decide which category you want to be in and can choose to be financially healthy. The next one is to save for tithe, donation, and charity. As I said in the beginning, try to allocate a percentage of your income for tithe, donations, and charity in your budget. Donating is a selfless act. There is a beautiful quote by Winston Churchill about giving. We make a living by what we get, but we make a life by what we give. A series of studies found that neurons in the portion of the brain associated with a sense of satisfaction start firing when a person chooses to donate money. These results are a fascinating reminder of the intrinsic motivation that many people share to make the world a better place, giving benefits to society's neediest and most vulnerable. Some of you must be wondering, what is tithe? In Christianity, tithe is a specific amount which is 10% of your income that one must give first to God, and an offering is saying is anything extra that you give beyond that. Tithes and offerings are an important part of Christianity because by giving, we put our love for God first before the love for anything else that could be money, family, entertainment, or any other thing. So try to allocate and set apart a percentage of your income that you could donate for charity. And always do remember one fact that no one has ever become poor from giving. Instead, when we give for God's purpose to serve others, God blesses us manyfold. The next is to prioritize debt repayment. If you're able, prioritizing debt payments may save you money on interest and reduce financial stress. It's important to keep your debt down because it affects credit utilization. In general, it's best to keep your credit utilization at less than 30% of your limit. So friends, now it's time to wrap up this short video where we looked into the first 8 budgeting tips for financial planning which can help you achieve financial success. You can also watch my other videos where I have shared information about how to plan a great retirement, different schemes for making foreign remittances like $1 million scheme for NRIs and LRS scheme for residents, tax benefits and tax exemptions for NRIs as well as residents on sale of a house property, tax benefits for returning NRIs like RNOR tax status, and many other videos related to financial planning and investments, which are not only relevant for NRIs but for all others as well, like best investment tips for beginners, how to invest in international stocks and benefits and risks involved in overseas investments, and many more. I hope you all will benefit with the information shared in this video, and if you find this information useful, then please make sure you click on the like icon and please do subscribe right now if you haven't done that yet. You just need to log in with your email ID on YouTube to subscribe. That's it. It's totally free for all. So do it right now. Subscribe, like, and share. Share it with your family and friends, and do share it in WhatsApp groups in your phones as well. So with that, I wish you all a happy living. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.